how you doing, everybody? Welcome to Jack's Wonderful Adventures. Today behind me we're going to be going to Tractor and Supply, and they have their Halloween stuff out. I already took a peek at it, and boy, there's some really awesome stuff inside. So we're going to be going in there, and I'm going to show you what they have. I already asked the personnel if I had permission to do so. They granted me full permission. We're going to be going in there and showing you all the cool Halloween stuff. So get ready for the next adventure. Okay, we are inside the store, and here are pet costumes. Dress up your best friend. And they got all kinds of pretty neat costumes for your animals. Oh, look what I found down here, guys. It's a toad. Look at this thing. Wow. A monster toad for Halloween. Around here they got, look what they got up here. Wow, look at these little things down here. They're pigs with wings. And these are really awesome down here. There's some kind of skeleton people. Pretty cool, huh? Over here we have a few gnarly pumpkins. And up here we have this giant bull. Now, I was just in here. I want to show you what he does, if I can get it going. There we go. Look at this. Is that not cool? Look, he's $1.99. Ain't he awesome? I'd love to have that in my house. Look at that thing. That is so cool. Wow, that is really awesome. Wow, he's still going too. Lasts a long time. Oh wow, he really lasts a long time. And over here, look what we got over here. Oh, these guys are so cool. $69.99. Wow. And then they got all kind of little skeletons and things in here. These are ducks or pelicans. And then we have this giant horse head. I don't know if it... Oh, ain't that cool. Let's do it again. It didn't last long, but... Oh. There you go, like that. There it goes. Watch this. That is so cool. And then we have... this one don't do anything. All right, this is just a skeleton. I'm not sure of what. Oh, I think it's a skeleton of a pig. Okay, and then down here we got this giant light up ghost. Let me see if he does anything. Try me. Yeah, he lights up just real quick. Let's do that again. Hold on. There he is. All right, that's pretty cool. And that is pretty cool. All right. Oh, wow. Look at this. This is really cool. A black pumpkin. Wow. Can you see the flames on his eyes? That is so cool. And here's another one. That's kind of like the same thing. Those are $49.99.
Happy Halloween!
Oh, wow, that's pretty creepy. I never saw a black pumpkin before.
Happy Halloween!
Same to you, buddy. And they got chickens. And they got these chickens that, oh, they light up. They're like skeleton chickens. That is really cool. And then up here we have roosters. And then this is an air-blown Halloween light. $99.99. $129.99. Everything's just so cool. I want everything. I just want everything. Absolutely want everything. All right, I just found out what this does. Hold on. Here we go. That is really cool. Look at that. Oh, don't last long enough. Hang on. There we go. Totally awesome. I need all this stuff in my home. Okay, and down here, look at down here, guys. Wow, look at this. I think they light up, hang on.
Finally, I'm almost free.
Wow, that is so cool. And then they got another one. Well, that one don't have nothing. Well, that one don't have nothing on it. But that one's equally as well. And then I want to show you this pig. This reminds me of the pig from the Amityville Jody. I think they had this one last year. This pig is awesome. It's $49.99. It's like a possessed pig. I love this. Oh, look at that. That is so cool. And then up here we have, oh my goodness, look at that. Little demon chickens. Is that not cool or what? I want to see that again. That is really cool. Let's see if I can get, there we go. Ready? So cool. Let's see the little pumpkin here.
There's something spooky out tonight, and I think it's you.
These are like real. These are made out of some kind of rubber. They're like real. Oh.
Have I frightened you yet? This Halloween is rotten. I can't find candy anywhere.
Oh, I just need all of this stuff. So cool, guys. And my favorite, of course, is the bull. He is so cool. Well, I hope you enjoyed this Tractor and Supply Halloween preview. Go to your nearest Tractor and Supply and enjoy the Halloween stuff. It's all just beginning. I hope you guys take care, and as always, we'll see you again on our next adventure.